Carcinoma gallbladder. Oh, it is more common in India, Patna, and Asian countries. It is also common in Chile. Oh, it is common in females and elderly. Male, female, 1, 3. Etiologies for carcinoma of gallbladder. 3% of gallstones with cholecystitis will develop carcinoma of gallbladder. 90% of carcinoma of gallbladder is associated with gallstones. Risk of developing carcinoma in gallstone disease is 7 to 10 times more than general population. Relative risk is less if stone size is less than 2 cm. If stone size is 2-3 cm in size, it is 2.5. It is 10 or more if stone size is more than 3 cm. Choldocker cyst, anomalous pancreaticobiliary duct junction, 20%, cholesterosis of gallbladder, gallbladder polyp more than 1 cm in size or more than 3 in number, or adenomatous polyp, PSC. Chronic typhoid carriers, carcinogens, NFL amatory bowel disease, hepatitis B and hepatitis C virus infection. Porcelain gallbladder is more prone for malignant transformation, 25%, and 90% of them are inoperable tumors. Nitrosamines. Gross types of carcinoma gallbladder. Polypoid, papillary, better prognosis. Serous, nodular. Proliferative, infiltrative. Microscopy. Commonly it is adenocarcinoma, 90%, occasionally squamous cell carcinoma, adenosquamous or carcinoid tumor can occur. 25% show only localized disease, 35% have lymph node spread, 40% have distant spread at the time of FIRST diagnosis. It is very aggressive tumor. Spread of carcinoma gallbladder. Direct spread to liver, segment IVNV, bile duct, duodenum, colon and kidney. Lymphatic, lymph node of Lund, periportal nodes, peripancreatic and periduodenal nodes. Blood spread, to liver, lungs and bones. Perineural spread is also known to occur. Staging of carcinoma gallbladder. Nevin staging. Stage 1, intramural. Stage 2, spread to muscularis propria. Stage 3, spread to serosa. Stage 4, spread to cystic lymph node of Lund. Stage 5, direct spread to adjacent organs, metastases. Tumor. TIS, carcinoma in situ. T1 spread to mucosal or muscle layer. T1A, only mucosal involvement. T1B, spread to muscle layer. T2 spread to subserosa but not beyond serosa. T3 spread beyond serosa or one adjacent organ or less than 2 cm to liver. T4 spread greater than 2 cm to liver, 2 or more adjacent organs, CBD, stomach, duodenum, colon, omentum. N0 no nodes. N1 spread to cystic, nodes in porta, hepatoduodenal ligament. N2 spread to peripancreatic, celiac, periduodenal, superior mesenteric nodes. Metastases. M0 no distant spread. M1 presence of distant spread. Features of carcinoma of gallbladder. Pain in right hypochondrium, mass in right upper abdomen which is hard and non-tender. Jaundice is common. Signify can't weight loss in short duration. Acute presentation of cholecystitis. Palpable nodular liver secondaries, ascites. It is common in places where there is more prevalence of gallstone disease, Patna, Bihar. It is common in females. Incidentally confirmed is carcinoma gallbladder histologically after cholecystectomy for chronic cholecystitis. Investigations. Ultrasound abdomen. CT abdomen to see operability. US guided FNAC. Liver function tests. MRCP. Laparoscopy. CA 19-9 is elevated in 80% of cases. Treatment. O cholecystectomy with resection of liver segments IV and V, extended cholecystectomy with perihepatic nodal clearance. At least 2 cm margin in the liver from the gallbladder bed should be cleared. All pericholedochal lymph nodes should be removed. Frozen section biopsy from cystic duct stump should be done to identify for the existence of microscopic tumor. If present, CBD resection and hepaticojejunostomy is done. Open approach rather than laparoscopic is ideal for carcinoma gallbladder. O hemihepatectomy with cholecystectomy with nodal clearance. If patient has undergone laparoscopic cholecystectomy and histology-confirmed room carcinoma, then staging should be done. All port areas should be re-excised to prevent port site recurrence. Often extended resection of segment IV and lymph. Nodes may be needed. Spillage of bile during laparoscopic cholecystectomy is common, 30% in non-malignant GB, 50% in carcinoma GB. O chemotherapy either systemic or intraarterial, and adjuvant radiotherapy but with poor success rate. Prognosis. O overall prognosis for carcinoma gallbladder is poor due to early spread and aggressive nature of the tumor. O 5-year survival is only 5%. Muscle invasion, nodal and distant spread carry poor prognosis. In stage T1 simple and extended cholecystectomy will not make difference in prognosis. In T2 stage extended cholecystectomy is very much beneficial which gives 60% 5-year survival rate. T3 and T4 carry poor prognosis. CHOLANGIOCARCINOMA, bile duct carcinoma. O it is associated with sclerosing cholangitis, clonochiasis infestation, Caroli's disease or choledochal cyst. O it is an aggressive adenocarcinoma which presents as obstructive jaundice. O it commonly occurs at the hepatic duct Konefeld-Ewens. Risk factors for cholangiocarcinoma. O primary sclerosing cholangitis, PSC, here commonly it is extrahepatic, usually at the Konefeld-Ewens. O choledochal cyst, O hepatolithiasis, O hepatitis B and C are risk factors for intrahepatic cholangiocarcinoma. O Lynch syndrome 2, O multiple biliary papillomatosis, O previous biliary enteric anastomosis, O clonochus sinensis infestation, O thorotrast, nitrosamines, dioxin. Classification I. O intrahepatic, 10%, O perihilar, 65%, O distal, 25%. Classification 2. Pathological sclerosing, 80%, nodular, papillary. Classification 3. O upper third, from porta to cystic duct 50%, O middle third, from cystic duct to upper margin of phi RST part of the duodenum, 25%. O lower third, from upper margin of phi RST part of duodenum to ampulla, 20%. O diffuse, 5%. Classify cation of perihilar cholangiocarcinoma, bismuth. Type 1, below the Konefeld-Ewens of RHD and LHD. Type 2, reaching the Konefeld-Ewens of RHD and LHD. Type 3, involving CHD and RHD, LHD. Type 4, involving Konefeld-Ewens in both RHD and LHD or multicentric tumor. Features. O main presentation is painless obstructive jaundice of short duration. O palpable liver either smooth and soft, hydrohepatotic, or hard nodular, secondaries. O weight loss and anorexia is typical and signify can't. Investigations. O ERCP and choledocoscope. Liver function tests. OPTC, OUS abdomen, CT scan, O Mr. Scan, best investigation. MRCP to see duct, MRI to see nodes, Mr. Angiogram to see vascularity. Assessment should be done to check the operability of tumor by assessing the spread in bilateral hepatic duct up to secondary radicals, both hepatic arterial spread, portal vein encasement, hepatic lobe atrophy, distant spread. TNM staging of cholangiocarcinoma. TIS, carcinoma. In situ. T1 invasion of subepithelial connective tissue, T2 invasion of periphrobromuscular tissue, T3 invasion of adjacent organs. Nodes. N0 no. Regional nodes N1, hepatoduodenal ligament nodes N2, peripancreatic, periduodenal, periportal, celiac and/or SMA lymph nodes. Metastases M1 distant metastases present, M0 no metastases. Stage 0 TISN 0 M0 stage 1, T1 NOMO stage 2, T2 NOMO stage 3, T1 half N1, N2 MO. Stage EVA, T3 NE NMO. Stage IVB, NET NENM 1. Treatment. When operable, portal region clearance with hemihepatectomy can be done. Intrahepatic type is treated with hemihepatectomy. Perihilar is treated with hemihepatectomy or extensive bile duct resection, nodal clearance, caudate lobe removal, cholecystectomy. Distal tumor is treated with Whipple's pancreaticoduodenectomy. Most often it is inoperable. Stenting can be done to relieve jaundice, through PTC or ERCP or on table. Chemotherapy, 5-FU, gemcitabine, cisplatin. Chemotherapy, with external beam radiotherapy, ERBT. Klatskin tumor. It is cholangiocarcinoma at the conifel of the hepatic ducts and common hepatic duct above the level of the cystic duct, 20% of cholangiocarcinomas. It causes obstructive jaundice with hydrohepatosis without enlargement of gallbladder. Management is like cholangiocarcinoma. Hilar resection with hepaticojejunostomy. Segment 3 left hepaticojejunostomy, Blumgart's. Longmuir's left hepaticojejunostomy after left liver lobe resection. Cattell's hepaticojejunostomy. Smith's mucosal graft hepaticojejunostomy. Palliative PTC with stenting, ERCP stenting, intraoperative stenting. Metal stents show long period of patency, 12 months, then polyethylene stents, 4 months. Cholangiocarcinoma. It is an uncommon tumor of elderly. 1 in 100,000 is the incidence. Primary sclerosing cholangitis is the commonest association, 20-fold increased risk. Cholbocus cyst, Caroli's disease, pyogenic cholangiohepatitis, Clonochus sinensis, Opisthochus viverrini infestation, hepatolithiasis, hepatitis C, Lynch syndrome 2, bile duct adenoma and papillomatosis are other causes. Chemical carcinogens like thorium, nitrosamines, diosmin also can cause. Intrahepatic cholangiocarcinoma is 10%, 60% cases are proximal to cystic duct. CBD junction features are jaundice, pain, hepatomegaly, cachexia, early satiety and weight loss. It is adenocarcinoma type. Lymph node spread is common. Resection along with liver, resection along with pancreas are surgical options. But surgical resection is possible only in 5% of cases. Stenting, bypass are palliative options. Doxorubicin, cisplatin and I-131 anti-SA antibodies are adjuvant therapies. condition has got 90% mortality in 1 year.